Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mudah-mudahan amis.
Oke, sip. Trip ala S.F.C.
Mantap.
Oh, acara hari ini mungkin kita ada trip santuy ala S.F.C. Oke, kita udah di lokasi untuk mancing hari ini. Acara kita ini untuk diadakan S.F.C. Oke, sebagian kita menunggu teman yang mau datang. Oke, doang ya, semoga kita mancing hari ini untuk happy, santai, dan mendapatkan strike yang lebih memuaskan. Oke, tim udah datang ya. Oke om,
Kaya ya lah.
sip. Tuh tim yang udah datang, udah sampai. Sip. Oke. Oke, Om Coy.
Halo guys.
Oke, kita udah ngumpul semua. Mudah-mudahan hari ini cuaca mendukung, tangkapan memuaskan, kita happy. Oke. Salam satu keluarga. Oke, merah semua ya.
Merah semua coy.
Om Asep, cocok. Baju merah dengan hitam.
Dengan hitam.
Tom,
Bang. Bang.
Om Con, Om Coy, Soleh, Om Anggra. Oke ya. Kita menuju ke spot. Om Coy, sip. Om Sohe, weh.
Ready. Om Dep kenapa?
Oke, untuk cuaca hari ini insya Allah mudah-mudahan aman, sejahtera. Om Asep. Oke ya, trip kita hari ini habis rombongan S.F.C. Acara hari ini trip santuy ala S.F.C. Oke, kita udah naik ke kapal guys.
Oke guys. Oke guys. Dapur lagi guys.
Om Chan,
Ya,
Ocon.
guys.
Om Mantu, Om Coy. Weh, lama amin poping ya.
Jahat kan.
Emang orang baik, Mas.
Oke.
Mana guys? Lama kali guys. Aduh. Main lagi bung ini guys. tweeted mah tweeted. Lai. Tweeted.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track.
Oke guys,
These help us
tangkapan
remember.
apa itu guys?
These battle scars don't look like the faded.
Iya, nggak bisa prediksi dong. Pokok positive thinking om. Pasok dulu om, sampai tabi muncul om. Pasok.
Growing up, I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised? Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shame. And that's the reason I'm staying up late, trying to find a way to escape the stereotypes this day and age is making me feel like the only way I'll be happy is getting signed to a label and making money through rapping. I wanna share my emotion because this world is attacking the very principle of life that lets the people be happy. If you don't have a reason to breathe, why even live? These battle scars are impressions of everything that it is.
Don't look like the faded. Don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battle scars don't look like they're
Besok
faded.
ketewanya aku jik main mah.
Ever gone away.
iya.
They ain't never gonna change. These
Sama-sama Milo.
If I had a
Aku
voice that
kempong,
reached
nggak
100
masak dah.
million people, I'd tell them there's a reason that we're all created equal. Cause some decide to be great and some decide a sequel to an average person's life is simply what they want to be. So you make your decision, all I know is what I'm given. Won't define the life I lead or the way I dwell in existence. I've seen a greater image on the walls of where I'm living, and the words twisted and scripted remind me of something written. Faith is a gift that is given down to the people. If one believes it, one receives it. It's given if it is needed. Don't ever think you're trapped in a life that you never wanted. Your options are infinite, that's some mathematical logic. I'm not saying I'm a prophet, I'm speaking for what it's worth. These lyrics define my prayers and these battle scars on my church. Not saying I'm a prophet, I'm speaking for what it's worth. These lyrics define my prayers, these battle scars on my church.
Oh iya guys. Ada mabuk dia ya.
Panjang dia nih. Udah mabuk dia nih loh.
Jepang Belanda? Enggak juga ya? Oh ini tangkapan Om Chan nih ya? Enggak?
Oh iya,
Oh,
dia ambilnya
Dia
masuk ini loh.
Dia ambilnya pula.
Ini mana bagusnya itu?
Iya.
Kamu saya ambilnya.
Ah.
Oh,
Tuh jangan deh, jangan dia.
enggak ini.
Nanti tak cucu nanti apanya itu. Terjungging bibirnya, pecah bibinya.
Jadi dia kalau.
Jangan aja nanti.
Iya. Iya.
Beda warna beda.
Oh ini pakai gunting ini.
Oh, pakai gunting lah.
Iya.
Kangkang kan muncung lah itu. Itu ada songke-songkenya muncung.
Ya oke rilis ya guys. Oke thank you guys. Rilis ya.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock